Hi, Brian Bachler of MarineMax Clearwater here today with a video walkthrough of the 2021 Sea Ray 27 Sun Deck Outboard. This boat has the 3-zone gel coat on the side as depicted in the pictures with the ivory interior. Looks extremely crisp and clean. As you can see, we have the full lounger in the back, and those inserts do flip up a little bit for some ergonomic knee support. Over to the pass-through into the cockpit of the transom door, freshwater shower, additional bordering step, and integrated cooler. And stepping on the boat, you'll see just an enormous cockpit, plenty of space to move about for entertaining. Both the passenger and driver's helm chairs do have reversible backrests for rear-facing lounging. And underneath the rear sun pad, we do have a large amount of storage space. As we see, the wraparound seating, the battery charger that's integrated, cockpit table. Moving forward, we'll see the helm with the 12-inch Simrad digital dash. That's going to be all your engine display, chart data, as well as depth or echo sounder. Fusion Bluetooth stereo with speakers. Sliding over to the port side, we'll see the head. So very nice, easy to enter head with a stainless sink, and that is a pump out head, so when you fill up for gas they'll be able to pump that out. Do have a bow door, close off a little bit of the elements, some additional storage under the helm. That's where our tables would store as well, and again in-floor locker forward. And finishing off, we'll see the very nicely laid out bow seating. Some flip down armrests for very comfortable positioning, grab rails for feeling nice and secure when you're riding up front. And we'll finish off, we do have a freshwater washdown on the bow, as well as bow boarding ladder. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, or feel free to call the store direct. Any of our sales consultants will be able to help you out. That number is 727-536-2628. And give us a call, come on down, see our in-store inventory. We do have available inventory in our air-conditioned showroom. Thank you for joining. Hope to see you on the water soon.